There was a big banyan tree where two crows, husband and wife, had prepared a nice nest and made it their home. In the hollow of the same tree lived a black cobra. The crows had a big problem because the black cobra would climb up the tree and eat the newborns whenever the female crow hatched her eggs. They could do nothing to save them, no matter how hard they tried. Heartbroken, the crows flew to a jackal who lived in a nearby banyan tree to seek his advice. They narrated everything to him and said, "Oh friend, it has become dangerous to live here. Please tell us how we can protect our children from being eaten up by the wicked black cobra." The jackal replied calmly, "Please don't give up. Even powerful enemies can be overcome with the use of wit." The crows sat up straight. "Oh friend, please tell us how we can overcome and destroy this wicked cobra." The jackal thought for a moment and then said, "Fly into the capital of the kingdom, not far from here. Visit the house of someone wealthy and careless at the same time, and look for something of value lying around. If you find it, pick it up while the servants are watching you." He continued, "Fly slowly so the servants follow you and lead them to your tree. Drop the item right in the hollow where the cobra lives. When they arrive, they will kill the cobra to get the item back." The crow's eyes lit up. They nodded eagerly, thanked the jackal, and flew off immediately, ready to carry out the clever plan. As they flew above the capital, the female crows spotted wealthy women swimming in a lake. On the banks lay sparkling gold and pearl necklaces watched over by royal servants. At once, the female crow swooped down, picked up a big necklace in her beak, and flew slowly away. The royal servants jumped up. They grabbed sticks and stones and ran after the crow, shouting. The crow led them carefully back to the tree, flying just slow enough to be followed. As planned, she dropped the necklace right in front of the hollow where the cobra was asleep. Then she sat on a branch above and waited. The servants arrived, and just then the cobra slithered out, hood raised, hissing fiercely. The servants screamed. They attacked the snake with sticks and stones. A fierce battle broke out. The cobra tried to strike back, but it was too late. The wicked snake was killed, and the servants retrieved the necklace and returned to the capital. From that day on, the crows lived peacefully, without fear. Their nest was safe. Their children grew up strong and happy. Moral of the story? Even a very powerful enemy can be destroyed through cleverness.